Hey, today we're unboxing the EcoFlow Delta Pro and the Delta Pro Smart Extra Battery. So let's get to it. A few months ago I made several videos about the EcoFlow and the new Delta Pro solar battery generator. It was on Kickstarter and I became backer number 23 out of 3,199 backers.
What does it mean to live without limits? Introducing the EcoFlow Delta Pro.
If you're not familiar with Kickstarter, it's an investment platform where you can pledge money towards a project, and in return, if the company is successful, they send you the item or the items in return. Now there is some risk involved, so be sure to check out my other video on the subject. The Delta Pro campaign was so successful, it became the largest funded tech project on Kickstarter and ranked number 6 overall among all projects. The campaign raised $1 million in the first 10 minutes of the campaign. And over the next 2 months, they raised over $12 million in funding from 3,199 backers. I share this with you to set a precedent about just how good the EcoFlow products are. At the time of the campaign, the company boasted the fastest recharging battery system on the planet, with up to 3,000 watts of input from your wall outlet. It can also be charged via solar, car battery, electric vehicle charging station, wind turbine, or gas generator. The system can be fully recharged in less than 2 hours. Other systems of this size can take up to 8 hours. That alone is an incredible advancement in solar battery systems. With the onboard battery management system, you can use the Delta Pro as a battery backup, charge while discharging, and use the device as a pass-through, leaving other electronics and appliances plugged into it all the time, even when the grid is up. The Delta Pro holds 3,600 watts of electricity on board. That will power a lot of things in a down-grid scenario, but it's not limited to that alone. You can expand the Delta Pro by connecting 2 extra batteries to it for a total of 10,800 watts. But wait, there's more. They also developed a double voltage hub which allows you to connect 2 Delta Pros and 4 extra batteries for a total of 25,000 watts of electricity. This can provide enough power for your home or off-grid location for days in an emergency or down-grid scenario. Now there are other components to this new ecosystem, like an 1,800 watt emergency gas generator. This is 25% more fuel efficient than any other generator. They call it the Smart Generator because it connects to the Delta Pro and can automatically start and stop as needed to recharge the battery. It's small, quiet, and efficient, using less than 1 gallon of gas to fully recharge a Delta Pro in less than 2 hours. There's also a new 400 watt solar panel and an impressive solar tracker that automatically adjusts the solar panels to follow the movement of the sun for maximum solar recharging. There is a smart home panel that allows you to connect the Delta Pro to your home electrical system. So when the power goes out, it will automatically kick in and power up to 10 circuits in your home. The company even has a wind turbine in development that can recharge the Delta Pro. Now, unlike some battery systems that advertise 800 life cycles, the Delta Pro and extra batteries use a lithium ion phosphate battery that can be charged and discharged up to 6,500 times before reaching 50% battery life. If you charged and discharged the system once every day, it would last about 18 years. This entire system can be controlled by the EcoFlow app, where you have full control over the entire system. So I hope you understand my excitement. After doing a ton of research, looking for solar battery systems, I'm so thankful I found EcoFlow and very proud to be a supporter of their campaign. Now, having said that, I purchased the Delta Pro, extra battery, the Smart Generator, and the Smart Home Panel with my own money. EcoFlow does not sponsor this video or my channel, so I can say whatever I want. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, please smash the like button now. I received my new Delta Pro a couple of weeks ago, but waited to make this video until I received the extra battery. Now I'm still waiting for the Smart Generator and the Home Panel. Now those are still being manufactured, and the overwhelming success of the campaign and with the current supply chain problems just means buyers have to be a little more patient. The Delta Pro is currently being listed as sold out, but that's because all of the units coming off of the assembly line are first going to all the backers of the campaign. Once those orders are complete, units will be available for the public. I will say that if you can't wait and you're looking for something now, EcoFlow has other smaller battery systems you can check out. Be sure to look at the Delta Max, which is the next largest system they have. But they have several smaller systems, and even one that can fit into a backpack. So be sure to follow the link below to their website. I will be making additional videos over the next couple of months showing you real use of the system and other components when I get them. I will also make a detailed video on how to install the smart home panel to your home electrical system. So be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified when those videos come out. For now, I'm going to get these two units plugged into the wall outlet and get them fully charged and start doing some testing. Now, I haven't selected or purchased solar panels yet. EcoFlow currently only offers a portable folding solar panel, which are great for mobility, but I'm looking for something that I can permanently mount to my roof. My plan A during a crisis is to remain here in our home. However, the Delta Pro and extra battery are portable, so I may look for EcoFlow's portable panels in the future in case I need to execute plan B, which is to bug out to an alternate location. Some people argue that building a DIY battery system would be much cheaper than buying a plug-and-play system like this. And although that may be true, it comes with a huge learning curve. You will sacrifice the portability and features. But hey, if you're the DIY type, have the time to learn how to do it, and don't mind sacrificing some features, you could save a lot of money building it yourself. But for me, this just wasn't the best option. Hey, be sure to check out my other videos on the EcoFlow products, and make sure you subscribe so you get notified of the new videos that'll be coming out real soon showing real-time use of the Delta Pro and the Delta Pro Extra battery, and a follow-up video letting you know what I like and what I dislike about this system after I put it through some testing. Hey, thanks for watching.